This model kit review is of the Bf-108 Taifun, and this is the tropical version. It flew in Libya in World War II, and this is a 1/48 scale model by Eduard. It's the weekend edition, so usually a simpler version, but I'm still expecting some good quality because of the brand. Here are the colors needed, and there's a painting and decal guide there. Dimensions. So let's have a look inside. First of all, here is our cockpit canopy, nicely molded. Looking at these wings, they're also nicely molded, good level of detail, all recessed panel lines. Same for the underside of the wing, lots of tremendous detail. We have wheel wells there, not much detail on the wheel well there. And here's our tail and stabilizer. And this looks like there's an extra one. We'll have to look at what that's about. And we have a number of pieces here, all very well molded. We've got wheels. We do see some mold lines there. And then looks like engine parts. Here's our instrument panel with some nice detail. We have to build the engine. These are all the cylinders. So there's going to be a lot of detail on this model. Here we have our fuselage, also nicely molded, recessed panel lines. Here's the inside of our cockpit, good detail there. We've got our seats. There's the actual cockpit side by side, instrument panel, propeller, and nose. Let's have a look at our decals here. Quite a number of decals. So these are the parts that we won't use. So there is an extra tail there. We don't need that. And we start off by building the cockpit. All those details there. And then we build the engine, and that's put into the engine bay. Cockpit's put onto the wings, and that's put onto the fuselage. And the tail and stabilizer. You put on the landing gear, and the rest of the parts go on, including the canopy. So, very well molded, tremendous amount of detail. It'll be a great model.